before you watch this video, if you need to watch macro versus micro angles, I'll link it up there. Watch that first. Now I'm gonna talk about vertical versus horizontal brushing. Or the intro. Yo. So, baby, boy shot back again. I'm just gonna warn you right now. Yeah, my last few videos I wore the shirt because I recorded the video the same day. I could do that. It's my video, my channel. Who cares? It's all about the value I'm giving you. It doesn't matter about the clothes I'm wearing. I'm gonna explain the difference between vertical brushing and horizontal brushing. So vertical brushing is good for hitting your micro angles, i.e. where two macro angles meet at. Good for precision brushing and attacking specific spots. Also good for attacking forks. The disadvantage of vertical brushing is you're brushing more angles since you're covering less area and your sessions should be longer. Vertical brushing, that. Horizontal brushing, that. See? Depends how I'm holding the brush. Holding the brush like this, horizontal brushing. Holding the brush like this, vertical brushing. Pretty self-explanatory in the name. Horizontal brushing. Advantages: hit more angles, see faster progress, and your sessions should be shorter. Now, I know you hear me talking about the length of your brush sessions and all that. Honestly, if you're really about this wave life, you're gonna brush as much as possible. Don't try to think of I want to get a quick session in. Well, you can if it's not really practical to get a good brush session in. You just want to get quickie, fine. But you have a lot of time in your hand and you trying to half-ass doing quick brush sessions, and you're not gonna really commit to it. This lifestyle ain't for you, boy. I'm just saying, don't attack the messenger. Disadvantages of horizontal brushing: your brush reps, even though it hits more areas, they're not as precise as your vertical brushing. You have a better possibility of causing forks in your pattern, since you're hitting two angles at one time, but both angles flow differently. Big question: when should you use each type of brush method? Just like I explained in my macro versus micro angles. When you first started developing your pattern, when you first started to wave up, your very first few months in your wave journey, you're gonna focus more on horizontal brushing. Right now, at this point, you just want to get your hair laid down and you're trying to see progress. That's all you care about right now. You're not really trying to focus too much on connections yet. The connections, the definition, that comes later when your pattern more develops. That comes later. That comes with time, and dedication, and hard work. Now, vertical brushing, you're gonna use this more when your pattern's more set, and you're gonna try to attack a specific spot, like connecting angles. You're gonna try to attack those. And also, you're going to vertical brush a lot in your crown area, since the angles in your crown area are very tight as it is. Practically use vertical brushing in that instance. You're gonna want to use it if you see a specific fork in your pattern. You're gonna want to use that vertical brush to try to attack it or break the fork. When you first start your wave journey, yes, your waves are gonna be forked up a lot. Your whole pattern is gonna be forked up, and that's okay. That's what's gonna happen. You gotta wait for your patterns to be more mature for those forks to start breaking and start connecting and flowing better. Keep brushing. Have your pattern set a little bit more, and then you start attacking specific forks. If you're trying to attack specific forks when you first started, it's not really advisable yet. I just explained the difference between two brush methods. So, if you have any suggestions, any questions, I got you. That being said, you already know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples. And I'm gonna see you next video. Bye.